So let's start our makeup. I already applied oil on my face, this photo finish primer oil from Smashbox, and as a foundation I will apply today this Collagen Korean probably foundations, which are pretty popular on Instagram, and I think that like everyone wanted to try them. For me it's like okay coverage, and it's more like everyday foundation, because after half of the day I become like so wet, you know, so it's definitely not for oily skin, it's more for dry skin. This foundation have always this strange scent, like flower scent, and not everyone like it, but the price is really affordable for these foundations. As a concealer, I will take this Huda Beauty concealer in number 10N and apply it under my eyes. As a cream contour today I will use this Kiko stick in number 200, and I will apply it as a cream contouring on myself. I want to apply a light layer of powder on my face because here oil, here pretty hydrating foundation, and I want to be with this makeup all day long, so I just want to double fix it, and I will use this Pupa beautiful luminous powder, and I will apply it with this very beautiful and very useful powder brush from MAC in number 140, which is pretty beautifully apply everything on your face. The powder which I apply gives kind of very soft luminosity to your skin. It's nothing about starlights, it's nothing about like glitters inside. It's just to give you this fresh, lightly glowing effect on the skin, which is perfect for dry skin. To intensify my contouring, I will add a little bit of contouring color, and this one is like old version. This is Lamel. I got it in Russia, and again I do not know is it possible to buy it somewhere in Europe, but the color of it is really like adorable. As a blush, I will take this Kiko very beautiful, like a peachy nudish tone. It's number 01. I'm not sure is it like limited edition or not. And grab it on this soft brush. First, as a cream highlighter, I will grab this Hollywood Flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury in number 3. I really like this color. It's perfectly for daytime, it's perfectly for aged, young skin, whatever. If you just want to create your skin just relaxed, lightly glowing, apply it only on the highest point of the cheek. If you're doing it with a finger, you can easily do it over powder, over foundation, over blushes, whatever. It will sit very nice, it will not destroy any layer you have under. Next step is a highlighter, but in a dry texture. It will be soft and gentle from MAC. I'm doing it mostly for photos and for videos because it will just give me some extra glow, which I already did my eyebrows with Anastasia gel, and first will be base. And as base, I will apply this pencil from Gosh in number 11, dark brown, and it will be like our color base for makeup. Next, from Anastasia Anastasia Renaissance palette, I will grab a mix of these oranges, and like underbrow zone I will use this light color. I lightly touch edges with burnt orange color just to make everything move into skin so soft. With darkest color I will fix my lid just on outer corner. And the queen of this makeup should be a beautiful silvery grayish color, which you can find in Anastasia's Sultry palette. This one in name Cyber, or the more beautiful one, which I prefer more, you can find in this Makeup Revolution palette on a name Hypnotic. And this silvery color is in the center is really beautiful. It's not like a cold silvery color, it's more warmish, brownish silvery tone, which really looks so adorable and so beautiful with any kind of warmish outer corner. Under my lower lash line I will use brown pencil from MAC, or you can use any sort of soft brown color. I use same mix of eyeshadows. And in my waterline I will apply this absolutely silver pencil. And the final step, it will be gloss from Fenty Beauty in color Fuzzy. So here are a final look, and I truly like this combination of warmish and silvery cold colors, and I think that it's look pretty interesting in evening. And also what I really like, this silvery pencil which I apply in my waterline in real life, even with a very light makeup. Just additional of this silvery cold color make eyes looks absolutely different. It's on you. If you want to receive more intense makeup, you can add black color inside in waterline. I so adore this silvery color inside. I cannot tell you how much and how often I try to work with this color on the clients. It's really beautiful. Thank you for watching. Ring the bell, subscribe, leave a comment if you like. If you have a question, also ask me. I usually try to do my best to answer to everyone. And that's all. Thank you and bye.